If MAS is a mass, right? And AGE a age. You put them two words together, what you get?
Message.
Message.
Yeah.
Think about it.
MAS.
MAS is a mass. And AGE a age. You put them two words together, what you get?
Message.
Message.
Yeah.
MES is a message, bad man.
Yeah.
MAS is a mass.
Yeah.
And AGE a age. You put them two words together, what you get?
Oh, message.
Boy, if you don't get...
Me don't know that.
Massage, man. If MAS is a mass, right? And AGE a age. What is MASSAGE?
MASSAGE?
Yeah.
Message?
Huh?
Message? Massage?
Huh?
Massage?
Yeah, massage, you know, but you get it wrong the first.
No, massage. No,
It's a
no,
message.
you have to delete that part.
Alright, we're gonna delete it. Nah, delete nothing. I have teeth, but can't eat. What am I?
Tongue. I'll keep my cat.
Alright,
Yeah.
first question.
Yeah.
Billy have 10 sheep, all but 7 dead. How much left?
Alright, you see Billy what I know about? I'm a virgin and I'm a day I'm not raise goat, nor sheep, nor anything. I be a ganja and plant and smoke. So, Billy have everything when I want to write already.
What can you make that no one, not even yourself, can see it?
Make a girl come.
I can't see it when she come. I don't fuck with that.
What gets sharper and sharper, the more you use it.
My man, boy.
Yeah, boy. That's it. That lovely.
But tell us, you have to ask me nothing, because I don't sell nothing from man. I drink like a lemon and lime to cut the weight loss.
Next question. Just give me your name.
Well, my name is Kanai, you know.
Kana.
Kanai, man, the Crown Anchor man.
Crown Anchor man.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man.
Alright, my boss. First question now, right?
Yeah, yeah.
What kind of animal is Mickey Mouse?
Mickey Mouse. That must a cat, man.
No, God!
Mickey. Mouse. Mouse. No, mouse a rat, man. Mouse a rat, man. Mouse a rat, man. Mouse a rat, man. Well, but when you're an old man, boy, I can't make mistake, you know, because you know, must have a memory.
Yeah, yeah.
Osborne, or you want me to give him a pet name?
Give me a pet name, man.
King Jabba.
King Jabba.
King Jabba.
Okay, okay. First question, alright? What kind of animal is Mickey Mouse?
A rat.
Rat.
Yeah, man. That's not a really animal. That is all I would call it now. A reptile.
Oh, no. 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 No, 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 no. I'll do something.
What gets sharper and sharper, the more you use it.
What gets sharper and sharper, the more you use it.
Yeah.
But that's a cocky, you know? The more you use it, the sharper the cocky get. You understand?
Yeah. Say,
a body, man.
ask man what gets sharper and sharper, more you use it, man.
The body, man. You wood, man. Buckler, dead by your say? I use that one to you. You have to use it.
Get one morning, boy. Get up with you again, yo.
Alright, now we are in that one. Next.
Yeah, my general. First thing I do, you don't know, just give me a name.
My name? Yeah. My name is Apache Kid Whirland, Alien, Flatty Mokiti, Raw Bag Soup, Manica, Super Vegalistic, SPL, Docious, Conautify, Spenchel, Gun Face, Yellow Belly, Side Wide, in Con Picking, Polka, Junior, sir. And that is my first name.
So why your last name?
Eh.
The last name, man?
Eh.
The last name, man?
Yeah, man.
Eh.
It's again. It started
What start with E and end with E and has one letter in it?
4 leg. No 4 leg, I'm most dad.
I was 4 leg.
Yeah,
Oh, you get 4 leg.
I get 4 leg. Not a foul.
Alright, boss. So, I'm going to move on to the next one. How can a pants pocket be empty, right? But still have something in it?
How can a pants pocket be empty and still have something in it? How I go on? Boy, them questions are tricky. I swear. But if my pants pocket empty and have something in it, I must the pocket. You see me? In it. Because I push my hand down in my pocket. My pocket can't have no bottom. But it have a bottom in it. You see me?
I must a pocket.
I must my pocket in it. You see me?
In your pocket?
In my pocket. You see me? You don't know. Because if your pocket goes a bomb, empty, and something in it, I must the material in your pocket. I swear. Check the level. Right. Wrong or right?
You're wrong, you know.
True.
I'm going to give you the answer, you know.
Yeah.
Now, old man.
Hole.
Because when you're old in your pocket, you say you're old in your pocket.
No, but not hole in my pocket, because my pocket have. You get me? Yeah. Check the level. I show my hand like some pocket stuck. See that my hand can't go through. Check the level now. I show my foot. Through my foot. Through my foot. Through my pants. You see it, my foot go through. That is a hole. So when I check the level now, I show my hand and my foot in my pocket. It stop right in my pocket. So, on my pocket in my hole.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What you say?
Look, my pocket, see into my phone now. You don't go nowhere, dog. I'm my pocket, dog. Watch this now, dog. See, I drop my phone through my pants now. Through my pants now, it come through like my pants, my foot come through my pants, dog. See me say? So, I'm my pocket empty, but it have in my pocket. Look, dog. What is dog? My pocket. So, my pocket in my pants, you see, dog?
Alright, bro. General, first thing I want you to do, just give me a name.
Sean, my name, man.
Sean. Alright, the first question, right? Dave is 6 foot tall, right? And work in a butcher shop. And wear size 9. What does Dave weigh?
130.
130?
Yeah.
How you get that?
Because to me, tell us say me we are 115, so I'm in a 6 feet tall, so. Yeah, man.
Like how him a 6 feet?
Yeah, and he wear size 9, I'm in a wear size 9. So I know I'm about 130 as me tell you, yeah.
Alright. Next question, I'm boss, right? 10 copycat, right? Sit down on a boat.
Yeah.
And 1 jump off. How many are left?
0.
How you get 0?
Because 1 jump off, some others left none, 0.
So 1 jump off?
Yeah.
That's what you mean, like?
Because you have a figure 10, 1, 0. So 1 jump off left 0. Yeah, that's how I get it.
Cool. Alright, my boss. You know? Yeah, my general. First thing I want you to do, just give me a name.
My name, them call me Sashirus.
Me a dancer. See now, AK as a vendor, so me a do the top street dancer, so me a do the one boss, one love. So yeah, sir.
Alright, the first question, my boss, right? When I was 6, right? My neighbor was half my age. And now me at 12. How old is my neighbor?
How old is the neighbor? When you are 6, I know you are 12. So how old is the neighbor? But me never know the neighbor age at the moment, so I never know the neighbor at the moment, at the time, in the position. So how couldn't me know the neighbor age at the time? I never know them at all, so I could never say nothing.
What up, my youth?
See, so me, you know, you say you are 6 at that moment, and I know you are 12. All the thing me can say, me just a guess because I don't really find the answer yet.
Yeah.
See, so my sense is still, me can't tell how old is the neighbor as the moment yet. Still, you still have to get to me, so me can question us, come somewhere. See, so.
When me at 6, right? My neighbor is half my age.
My neighbor?
No, when me at 3, me mean. I say go?
When me
at 6. No, when me at 6, yeah. My neighbor half my age. When me at 6, right?
Your neighbor was
half my age. And now me at 12. How old is my neighbor?
Still half your age. So your neighbor, let me say the age of the neighbor, either the neighbor 16 to 24, one out of two of them. So half your age mean by from 12 to 12 means 24. And from 6 to 6 means to 12. So from 3 to 3 to mean to 6. So anyway you want to take the still a cut off half height. You see me at this half me half you. So I mean, so me know what I got say again. So you don't know one I want make too.
Alright peeps, so thanks for watching. If you guys have any question you don't know, leave it in the comment section below and I'll answer. If you're interested in watching any of the episode then you don't know, I'll put the thing up on the screen, season 1 episode 5, so you can go back and watch it. Easy me. So if you have any question about trick question seasons when more come out, just leave it in the comments and I'll answer it in the next video. Easy me. So yeah, big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Click the like button. Remember, click the like button, the golden rule. You see me? Rule is so easy to say that. Big up on yourself.